Hi, boys and girls. It's going to be helpful if you can navigate between your different classes in Google Classroom. I want you to think of Google Classroom like Meadowbrook School. It's a building made up of lots of different little classrooms. Well, Google Classroom is like the whole building, and then each of your teachers has their own class within that building. So you'll notice in this example here, we have Miss Knowlton's class, and then first grade PE, grade 1 library, G&T, grade 1 art, and first grade music. These are all the classrooms that this student is going to be going to this year. To get in between classrooms, you may want to start at this main screen. You can get there with a little waffle, I like to call it, or it's an array, and you can always click on Google Classroom. That will bring you to this first screen. Then when you're here, if you start your day with your teacher and you click on your teacher's link, and let's say now you need to go to music. I'm going to then choose the three little lines over here, which sometimes people call a hamburger. And this is going to give me some options. I can click this little house icon where it says classes, and that will bring me back to where we started. Or I can click which class I want to go to just by clicking here. So kind of like walking down the hall and getting to art. So this is my hallway and I'm finding art. If I click on art, it's going to bring me right to the art class. And then to get to the meeting part of it with Google Meet, I'm just going to click right here. Now let's say art class is over, but I want to go all the way back to the main menu of classes. Then I would click here. It's going to bring me back to this main page, and then I can go to whatever place I need to go to next. If you want to rearrange these, you can. So notice the little hand icon that's popping up when I move my mouse over it? That tells me that I can click on it and I can drag it around. Probably makes the most sense to have your homeroom class listed first, and then your specials can come after that. I hope this helps get you around Google Classroom. Have a great day.